My video is about removing the unwanted browser extension called Robo Tab. Though this Robo Tab is a special extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser, and this extension basically operates as a browser hijacker because it changes the default homepage, default search engine, and the new tab URL of your browser. Whenever you submit any search queries, you notice that the results are actually delivered by some other fake and unfamiliar search engines. Now, this is all because of this Robo Tab extension in place. So to fix these issues and to remove such hijacking from your Google Chrome browser, you need to remove this Robo Tab extension. And this is the way you can do it. Access the menu, go to More Tools, Extensions, disable and remove this extension. Also, we recommend you to carefully examine the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then start carefully examining the system with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.